Comer.
Oh, there he is. Another perezoso. Sloth.
Es como una línea de hormigas.
The great race.
Well, the sloths and the mangroves are just some of the highlights along this sunset tour on Colombia's Caribbean coast. Hi, I'm Matt, and welcome to this edition of Borders on Budgets. On this episode, we are in Rincón del Mar, where tomorrow, after the break, we will be on a local food tour. A slog of a hike.
I'm nuclear free.
Tree branch or part of a log. Jarka. Sweat.
Not on the menu, but boy, he's sure pretty to film.
El plátano es más largo y más redondo que él. Esta es la moringa. Este árbol sirve para más de 300 enfermedades, entre ellas está cáncer, azúcar, triglicéridos, cantidades de enfermedades. Muchas personas se comen la flor de ellos, la utilizan, se la comen en ensalada, porque tiene también un buen sabor.
Tiene un sabor bueno como dulcecito.
Como dulcecito.
Moringa.
Flor de
to your health. It is sweet.
Tierra. Entre ellos
Just in this 1 hectare, there are so many trees and types of fruits that even our guide Halimir doesn't know how many exactly species there are.
Papaya. También tenemos variedad de plátanos, variedad de mango.
Mira, los plátanos.
Están florecidas ya. Mira, ¿dónde están las flores allá?
Oh wow, that is sharp. The flowers, the pink flowers of the pear tree.
Y hay plátanos que un solo gajo le llaman 101, que un solo gajo tiene hasta 100 y más de.
On the ground, there is this bunch of plantain, and here in the Caribbean, plantain almost has the same texture and use as potatoes. And just out of curiosity as to how heavy this bunch of plantain and its stalk is, wow, that's quite the heft. Well, that is the best turkey impression I've ever heard. He better be careful. I think he's become the alpha male.
Le voy a brindar un jugo de naranja agria, que es la fruta que se consume por aquí. Sí.
Okay, sour orange juice. Gobble, gobble, gobble. I have become the alpha male. That's not as sour as I anticipated. Protective mama. Milking takes place a little too early for Borders on Budgets, so we'll let this orphaned calf show what needs to be done.
En vez de la teta. Si no patio hay que dormir.
Queda la leche ahí.
Tiene bastante todavía. A ver, que esa animal está llena, co.
Y esta es engañosa.
Voy para allá.
That's a lot of beef that I wouldn't want to mess with. Whoops. Wow.
Águila pigua.
Bueno, me compré como ustedes.
¿Dónde? Ah, there we go.
El agua que sale cuando es presionado, el agua cae, mire. Todo es natural, acá no se le echa nada químico, todo es natural.
Wow, that's generous.
Hay que echarle un poquito de sal para que él coja más consistencia, quede mejor compactado. Claro.
All right, we've had a taste of juice, we've had a taste of milk. Now to sample what's inside a Caribbean kitchen at the Eco Farm Mango Feliz.
La patacona.
Ey, vamos a jugar el dama.
Patacón.
¿Qué es patacón?
Patacón es un plato típico de aquí, de la costa, normalmente con popocho que está en los vecinos, la cosecha es de aquí mismo, normalmente. Lo que es la arepa de huevo también es un plato típico de aquí de la costa, la arepa de huevo. ¿Quieren aplastar
And you eat it with cheese or with sour cream?
All right, it is time for breakfast. These are the patacones. That's the fried plantain. And the second course is the arepa, which is fried corn flour with eggs, huevos, in the middle. And breakfast is being served at Mango Feliz under the 100-year-old mango tree. It's actually called a mango zapote. And this is where I camped for the past 5 nights. I had not a worry in the world, as it is tranquilo, bastante tranquilo, quiet enough. Perhaps my only worry were the falling mangoes as were eaten by the parrots. This has been another edition of Borders on Budgets. A reminder, Borders on Budgets. Local people, natural sounds,
Rincón del Mar.
not a lot of money. On behalf of Haldimir, our guide, Mango Feliz, the Juice Farm, and the Milk Farm, thank you once again for tuning in. We are in Rincón del Mar, Colombia, and after the extra, it will be time for lunch in the Pueblo. Wow! Cold coconuts. Cold coconut juice, coco frio, 5,000 pesos, 5,000 pesos, $1.25. Cheers. And lunch will be served at the restaurant Dubai. And the Sierra will be prepared in a coconut sauce with vegetables. ¿Cuántos minutos?
25 a 30 minutos.
Well, here it is, a Sierra. It looks like a barracuda, but it tastes like tuna. Did you like this story? Fantastico. Help Borders on Budgets grow. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share this video con tus amigos.